This compact rolling desk is the ideal portable workstation to keep your work moving as much as you do, or staying in your PJs sitting comfortably on your bed. The sturdy desktop can fit most laptops and features a moisture-resistant maple finish. Easily tilt the desktop by loosening the rotary knobs, allowing you to angle your desktop up to 80 degrees. The pop-up safety ledge prevents materials from sliding off the edge. Adjust the height from roughly 26 inches to 38 inches to suit your needs. Simply loosen the knobs on the base and pull up on the desktop. Don't forget to tighten the knobs before letting go of your desktop. Enjoy the strong and sturdy base of the steel frame. Our mobile desk allows for easy transport and adjustment.